Welcome back, everybody. Monty, Geometry, Week 4, October 5th to the 9th. You've seen the introduction about the pumpkin problem. Got a small pumpkin. We're going to learn all about this little pumpkin so that you can try to figure out what the weight of the big pumpkin is. The whole idea of these challenge problems every week is to get you to remember, what do you know? If I know something about this, how can I use it? Well, I know that like 1, 2, 3, like 3 of these fit inside of here, right? Have you ever done anything like that? You got the big jar, you got the little jar. How many of one fit inside the other? The key to geometry, the key to learning, the whole key to education is asking the right question, okay? This questioning box, each week I'm going to try to get you to remember, if I could just ask that question, I will learn. Okay? So let's ask some questions. Got these 2 pumpkins. Okay? And some of the things that you wanted to know were, how much does the small pumpkin weigh? Great question. Small pumpkin weighs 5 pounds. Okay? 5 pounds. Well, if 3 of these fit inside that, it'd be 15 pounds. Is that enough to know? Is that enough, or do you want to know more questions? Okay, other questions people wanted to know. How tall is the small pumpkin? Okay, so small pumpkin, we're going to say 6 inches. Okay, let's do 6 inches. How wide is this pumpkin? Okay, so we'll look about right there, tip it back. I really like 8 inches. Let's do 8 inches. Now, geometry term. Circumference. The distance around, okay? You need that term. That's geometry, okay? So let's make sure you write that in your notes. Circumference, okay? So we're going to put this around here. I know I can do this. All right? Yes, I can. All right. So now, how far around is this pumpkin? 26, 26, 26, 26. Let's do 26 inches. 26 inches, okay? If you've never done anything like that, circumference. C is equal to 2 times that thing called pi times r. R stands for radius. Pi, 3.14159, okay? And a 2. So 2 times 3.14 times the radius will get you the circumference, okay? Now, the first day you asked a bunch of questions. The second day you're starting to ask more questions. I wanted you to narrow it down to only one question about the big pumpkin. You're only allowed, as a class, to come up with one question. So what would be the most important measurement so that once you got the measurement, you could guess the weight of the big pumpkin? Okay? What would be the best thing to ask? The height, the width, the circumference? Think about that. So Thursday, we'll only get one measurement, and that'll be your last clue to solve the puzzle. How heavy is the big pumpkin? Have a great rest of the week.